Hey guys, I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tax, and I'm at the launch event of the Xiaomi Mi 90. Mi 90 is sporting a 6.39-inch 19.5 by 9 1080p AMOLED full screen display. Just like Mi 9, it also comes with an in-screen fingerprint sensor. The back is stunning, and it will come with 3 color options: carbon black, glacier blue, and flame red that will be available later. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 with 2 variants to choose from: 6GB of RAM with 64GB of storage, and 6GB of RAM with 128GB of storage. It will come with a 4000mAh battery with the support of 18W fast charging. Mi 90 also comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack, and it can achieve high-res audio output. Mi 90 comes with triple camera with the combination of f1.75 48MP Sony IMX582 main camera, f2.4 8MP telephoto lens, and f2.4 30MP ultra wide angle lens. The pop-up front-facing camera is a f2.2 20MP camera. When the front-facing camera pop out, you will see LED lights at both sides. As for pricing, Mi 90 will be available with the starting price of 1,199 for the 64GB storage variant. If you are lucky, you will be able to grab it for 1,099 ringgit Malaysia on June 25th, exclusive on Lazada. As for the 128GB storage variant, it will be available later with the price of 1,399. Xiaomi Malaysia country manager also hinted that 128GB variant will come with a promotion, but at the moment, it is still under discussion with their partners. That's all for this hands-on. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. See you on the next video.